Today, a demonstration will be done by our expert, the singing diva.
As a professional singer, it is important that I have ways to constantly train my vocal cords. I train while cooking. I train in the shower. I'll also practice my singing using my Sharp Android TV. That's why I love my Sharp Android TV. With its built-in microphone features, I feel like a superstar every day and every single second. How do you use it? Simple. Just click this small microphone button and you can search anything you want using your voice. How to become a good singer? What's the weather today? This lovely feature is totally awesome. It saves time and less hassle. Another good thing about Sharp Android TV is it comes with ILEX Prism equalization, which uses the VIR filter technology. It provides the foundation of natural, realistic sound for movies, music, and video games. That was a demonstration on how to voice search on Sharp Android TV, done by your expert, the singing diva. Now with all the practice and thanks to my microphone over here, I am ready for my concert!
That was a demonstration on how to voice search on Sharp Android TV, done by our expert, a singing diva. Sharp's Android TV. It's so easy, anyone can be an expert.